Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. Children, hope you all are doing well. Yes children, in our last class we have started our third chapter, Introduction to Neural Networks, in which we have discussed about certain basic concepts of neural network. Let us revise it first. And first, let me ask you, what is neural network? Yes, it is a network which is used to mimic the human brain. And the basic idea behind the neural network is to create a computer that can learn, recognize, and make human like decisions. And neural network is also called artificial neural network. And mainly such network is used to recognize patterns and predict output. And why this network is needed? Because it can work like human brain and it helps us to work towards AI. So children, it enable the computer to work and think like human being. For example, if I feed the machine with images of cat, dog and lion, it can classify and recognize the animals. And also, neural networks are efficient in weather forecasting. And the next topic that we have discussed about is neural network in everyday life. We have seen different real-time applications of neural networks in the field of real-time translation, radars, facial recognition, medical science, automated driving vehicles, and handwriting recognition. In these all fields, neural networks uses pattern recognition and decision making. Children, today let us discuss about the relationship between networks and human nervous system. And we know that these neural networks are based on the working of our human brain. So first of all, we have to understand the structure and working of human nervous system. Yes, children, so this is our human brain, which is made up of billions of interconnected neurons, which helps in parallel exchanging of information. And neuron means nerve cell. So, children, each neuron of the brain is made up of a cell body. So, here you can see and dendrites and signals travels through the axon and axon terminals. So, these are several parts of a cell body. Like this, billions of neurons are present in your brain. So let's see how these parts work. And children, there are several dendrites which are attached to the cell body from which the brain gets the input. Okay, children. And the nucleus where the processing of information takes place. And here you can see the axon through which the message is passed to the axon terminal. So axon terminal, which can be seen as the output terminal through which we will get the output or signal. Okay. So one by one this propagation is happening through these parts of the brain cell or nerve cell. Okay. And children, only 10% of our brain cells are neuron cells. The rest of the cells are known as glial cells, which helps us to provide the brain with energy for growth and to function. And also it gives protection to the neurons. From this, you can understand that the working of each neuron is very simple, but the overall network, it is extremely complicated. As in our brain, billions of connections are there between billions of neurons. And each neuron is talking to millions of other neurons. And children, this is what happening inside our brain and it is used by us to make different decisions using our intelligence. So in the case of neural network, these systems are able to make calculations, like making millions of calculations per second, and it is not able to perform some simple tasks which require human decisions or which require decision making. So here what is happening, we are making a system that is capable of human intelligence and computer capability of making calculations, and that is what we call neural networks. So we are providing intelligence to artificial systems through this neural networks. So children, in our next class we will discuss about how artificial neural network works like our human brain. Okay children, so do the worksheet number 1 in your textbook in page number 102. Okay, and read your textbook thoroughly. That's all for today. Let's see in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.